Discover how to access every tool you need at the tip of your cursor with MX Keys S and Actions Ring in the Logi Options Plus app. First, download or update to the latest version of Options Plus. In Options Plus, click on your MX Keys S and assign Show Actions Ring to any key. Use the default general profile for instant productivity, or customize the Actions Ring to fit your workflow. Create profiles for your favorite applications like Photoshop, Premiere Pro, Figma, and more. Actions Ring adapts based on your active application. Expand your possibilities with Logi Marketplace. Discover plugins, profiles, icons, and more.